Here's some more of these cuties looking pretty and doing short flights. The way the sunlight fell in this video lets you see much better than the last one that the peahens have beautiful rainbow colors too. You can definitely confuse them for the peacocks if you don't check for the male's long tail or train. I also managed to fool both of the peahens on the fence with my imitation of their evening call. Those super vivid colors, by the way, come from nanoscale structures in the peafowl's feathers. So tiny that they create the colors by physically interfering with the light waves rather than using pigments. Pretty amazing. Like the previous few videos, this was shot November 7th, 2024 with my cell phone.